Next topic I am discussing about structures in C. What is a structures? A structure means structure is a user defined data type. Like any other data type, int, float, double, character, like that. These are the built-in data type. These are the already existed data types in C. Structure is a user-defined data type. Like int, float, double. This also one data type, but this is user-defined data type. Structure allows us to combine the data of the different data types together. Within a structure, we can define different data types like int, float, character. These different data types we can combine together. This is the advantage of structure. Why we need structure? See, if we have a student, if we have an entity student, so for defining this student we have different elements like student has name, roll number, mark, like that. Different members are there in student, so we have to define all these related entities together. About student, few related entities are there. We have to define everything together, so that time we can use structure data type. Say in array we can include a lot of members, but in array we can allow only same data types only. If we define array as int, within that array we can enter only int data types only. If we are define double or float, within that array we can include only that specific data type only. We can't include different data types. Within integer array we can't include character data type. So that is the disadvantages of array. That's why we are using structure. Here within a structure we can include different data types together. That is the use of structure. For defining this structure, we can use the struct keyword for declaring the structure. This is the example of this is the syntax of structure data type. Struct is a keyword, structure name, and this is the data type member 1, data type member 2. Like that we can include n number of members. This is the syntax of structure. This is the example of structure. Struct student. Here I am defining one student entity, student only. Details of entity student only I am defining here within a struct. So here I wrote student, struct student. Within this structure I am including related to student. I have different data types or different members with different data types. Integer, roll number, student has roll number, name and mark. So roll number has integer data type, name is in character, mark is in float, I defined. So like that we can define in structure different data types we can include within one structure. This is the example of structure. Next I am discussing about access the members of a structure. as of now we define this structure. Then we have to know how to access the structure member. Before that, one more thing I have to tell. See, while defining this structure, this is a data type. Structure is a data type. So now the memory is not allocated for this. For defining the for allocating the memory, what we have to do? For allocating the memory, we have to create the variable. Without creating the variable, memory will not allocate. So we should create a variable for allocating the memory. How to create a variable? Like this we can do. Structure student s. Like this we can create the variable for this student structure. Next one, we have to access the structure from the particular memory location. How to access? There are two types of operators we are using for accessing the members of the structure. What are the two operators? One is a member operator. This is a member operator. Another one is the structure pointer operator. This is the structure pointer operator. These are the two operators we are using for accessing the members of the structures. How to access these student members? Let's see. S dot roll number. Like this we can access the members of the structure. That's it about the structures.